Hey, how you doing? This is Art Level with MLM Help Online. And this video, I'm actually going to show you a cool little tool I use for driving traffic with SEO and, just really getting some traffic out there and snatching not necessarily the crumbs, but the hidden traffic sources that a lot of people are not necessarily dominating at this point. So if you kind of get what I'm going to teach you here, it'll definitely benefit you a lot because this thing is crazy. I've been using this quietly, not really telling anybody about it, but I might as well let the cat out the bag here. Get you some good advice, information, and definitely help you get some traffic to your site, right? The benefit of being on my list, right? Anyway, this is Art Level, and I remember when I first got into network marketing, I really um, got into it probably online. Network marketing online was actually through the Renegade Networker with AMC. Now that was a very powerful book, but I liked the setup behind it because if you didn't know that the gateway to the Renegade Networker was the greatest lies or the seven biggest lies or something like that of network marketing, right? Where basically once you read the book, it kind of preconditioned you for the Renegade Networker, right? But anyway, that was my first online commission. I remember I was sitting there with my coworker at the time, and I put him onto the book. He loved the book and all that sort of stuff, and then we really just had like a little bit of inner office competitions on who can make the most sales. And all we did was run Google pay-per-click ads, and that was the Wild West days, the good old days where Google would let you just run these ads and all that sort of stuff. But now Google has basically become uh, a bit of a dictator, basically deciding exactly that we don't really matter in the grand scheme of their overall what they deem as quality information. Anyway, back to that story is that what I learned there is that if you can make $1 online, you can make $1 million. You just got to figure out what made you that $1. Backtrack it, escalate, and syndicate, and really get expand from there, right? So once you've made maybe you haven't made any sales, maybe you're just sitting on here trying to figure out exactly what's going on here. But if you can make one sale, it doesn't even matter if it's a small little CPA commission of like $1.50 or something like that. If you can make one sale, all you need to know is that after you've made that sale, that this internet marketing, internet online network marketing stuff is real. Doesn't matter. You got to see the bigger picture here. But anyway, um, that's what got me hooked on internet marketing, right? And through that process, and I couldn't really afford to continuously run some pay-per-click ads because you know what, the affiliate commissions weren't paying out fast enough, and it started to get tougher and tougher and tougher, right? And I wasn't really that good at pay-per-click. I learned, and now I'm a little bit more proficient in Facebook pay-per-click and Google pay-per-click and all that sort of stuff. But when I first got out there, there was a learning curve, and I couldn't afford to do it. So I started looking at different ways to get some traffic. And one of these major ways was actually SEO, and SEO stands for search engine optimization. Basically, it amounts to ranking highly on Google. I mean, you can rank high on Bing and Yahoo. I'm not saying neglect those, but Google is like the major search engine, and I think it has like 60 something percent or 66%, maybe 70% of search domination in the search market or whatever. Basically, a lot of people are using Google. When you say I'm going to look for something online, you say I'll Google it, right? So that lets you know that you should be ranking on Google, right? And just to give you an example of why you should continue to watch this video at this point, I'm going to type in something for a little affiliate program that I've been running here. It's called My Free Cash Machine here, right? Now, using these techniques, I was able to go ahead and not rank once, but let's see here. I was ranking here. That's me right there, number 4. That's me, number 5, with the video. What else? Go to page 2. I'm probably somewhere there. But let's see here. Yeah, that's me down there. This is probably me again. Let's see here. Yeah, I would venture to say this is me. Let's just check it out and see. Yep, that's me again. So, pretty much, right? The way that this works, right? It's a free, it's a little free affiliate CPA offer that you can go ahead and join, and they pay instantly through PayPal. So that's why I like it. It's a feeder program, but and I'm using that in conjunction with the My Lead System Pro and all that sort of stuff. Phenomenal programs, both of those two things, My Free Cash Machine and um, my Lead System Pro. But essentially, you know, top was it top 5 rankings for the keyword? That's freaking awesome, right? And I'll tell you, one of the tools that I'm using, right? And I can tell you how to get backlinks and all of that sort of stuff, and I'll probably do that in another video because I use a tool that you should definitely use for getting backlinks. But I want to show you, if you've got your own tool and you've got your own methodology as to getting backlinks, what happens is that a lot of people try and rank for, like, they'll try and say, well, hey, make money online, right? They'll try and rank for make money online, right? Now, when you type that into Google, right? Google is so smooth now that when you're typing into stuff, when you're typing in there, it's so fast that Google Instant rolls up. So this right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is that, like, people are the mass volume are looking for, when they're on there searching, they're actually looking for a make money online free, make money online fast, make money online surveys, make money online teens. Now, let's go for this. Now, make money online is an extremely competitive word, right? Let's go with free, right? Now for free, you have about 107. That's still a very competitive term, right? Now if you hit the space bar here, right? Look, there's even more, right? Now this will drop it down and all this other stuff. Is that people are basically looking for make money online free, no scams, right? Now if you had a blog post that said make money free, no scams, do you think you would rank up there? Look at this. Look at this guy here, right? Make money online free, 100% free, no scam, no fees, all that sort of stuff, right? Same stuff here, right? Now, only 2 million results with this key phrase. Now, how many people are searching in there? I don't know. I mean, even if you go look at the Google keyword tool, that thing is pretty much not really accurate because it's looking at it over aggregate time. Now, this is what people are looking for pretty much instantly, right? So you wanna, at least the way that I'm not, people have different philosophies on SEO, but the way that I do it is say that if people are typing this into Google, um, and Google's telling you what people are typing, if you want to rank for something related to the topic, like make money online or something make money online free, I would go with what Google says the volume of people are searching for. That's what the instance was there to do, because basically what it does, it fills out the rest of your search query, right? Now this might be a little bit too technical for you, but what I want to do is really tell you about this cool program, right? It's called Keyword Gen, right? Keyword Gen. I think it's made by this guy named something Spencer, right? Really phenomenal program. I mean, it's web based. It's like $20 a month or whatever, and I'll have a link to it down there at the bottom if you want to get this, right? But let me tell you what this does, right? For the term My Free Cash Machine, right? This is how I was able to go ahead and achieve those rankings, right? My Free Cash Machine, right? It's probably too new for it to actually show up in the Google keyword tool, but this is what happens, right? It scrapes the Google Instant and actually makes a list of the terms that extend from My Free Cash Machine. So remember, there's like long tail keywords versus short keywords and all that sort of stuff. If you've done any sort of online marketing, you should be somewhat familiar with this, right? But essentially, what this tool will do, it'll make a list of the Google Instant searches, right? Now, what you can do is it's so freaking awesome. You can actually just go ahead and click the rank button, and it'll put it in the order, like it'll put all the ones together. Remember, we had free, not My Free Cash Machine, make money online. We had scam, no scams, and that was at the top, and then you had teens, that was at the second. Well, where it shows up on the Google Instant, little search box for you, this is how it'll rank it, because this is where the volume is, right? So what I will do is actually take this, right? Click the export button, right? Check it off. Click the export button. Rank it in order of where it shows up. Go ahead and throw this in here. it'll go ahead and open up. Let's see here. Let's open it up with Excel, right? And let's let that roll up here. Okay, and we have the list of your terms here, right? Now what you can do is create this. It'll show up in a CSV, right? But what you can also do is select spinner text, right? Which is even more awesome. And this is what I will do here, right? I'll go and open this up with Notepad, and boom, as soon as it downloads, pops up with your spin terminology. So most people will go ahead and say, well, hey, I want to rank for my free cash machine, right? And that's all their backlinks will say. But what you can do here is get the anything that comes up as it relates to my free cash machine. So some person types in my free cash machine review, my free cash machine admin, myfreecashmachine.com, my free cash machine daily, all of these terms up here, right? I want to rank for that, right? I want to get you on all angles, right? This is really like a very powerful SEO method, right? So let me go back to you and let me show you the proof in the pudding, right? Uh, Shit is freaking awesome, right? My free cash machine. Let's go with anything, right? Let's go with login. Let's see what happens with login. Boom, I'm there, right? Admin login. Where am I? I might not be there, right? Anyway, my free cash machine daily. Boom, I'm there, right? Right there. Boom, right here. Boom, right here, right? Let's go back and rock with my free cash machine review. Boom, I'm here, 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 right? This is what I'm saying is that you need to get that tool. It's called Keyword Gem. You need to get this tool if you're serious about SEO. Reason being, because I don't trust the Google keyword tool. It might be too slow, but if I'm gonna rank for something, right, I want to dominate all other variations of that word. So if a new product release comes out and all that sort of stuff, and people are looking for it, the Google instance, Google is sharp when it comes down to that Google instance. It takes the volume, takes those keywords, auto-fills in the searches for people, but you can take that same thing and rank for those people's searches. Because think about it, Google is the major search engine, right? Do you think there's very small volume for my free cash machine review? I don't think so, right? The reason being is because, well, if there's small volume for my free cash machine, of course there's going to be small volume for my free cash machine review, right? But if you have a term that has higher search volume, right, you can kind of cross-check that with the Google keyword tool or whatever, right? And you want to dominate all forms of that word, like a 3 or 4 word term, search term or something like that, and you want to go ahead and dominate that, you need this tool, Keyword Gem, because you want your stuff popping up for anything that a person searches for as it relates to that. And I mean, this is phenomenal. This is art level. Proofs in the pudding. you know, my free cash machine, SEO. I also use promoted through Facebook pay-per-click, but this is where it's at. Keyword Gem, $20 a month. Click on the link below to get that. If you get the Keyword Gem, I'm gonna go ahead and hook you up with a special bonus down there. You'll get more training. You'll get on my list and all that sort of stuff. So this is Art Level, MLM Help Online. Definitely just giving a couple SEO tips and all that sort of stuff. If you want more information, go to MLM Help Online. I'm out.